Minna no Nihongo Lesson 17 Part 3. Grammar point 5th. Making an object the topic of a sentence. When making a noun in the expression noun or verb, therefore a noun that is a direct object of a verb into the topic of sentence, the noun is placed at the beginning of the sentence and the particle o is replaced by the particle wa. Example: Koko ni nimotsu o okanaide kudasai. Don't put your bags here, please. Nimotsu wa koko ni okanaide kudasai, marking the object nimotsu into a topic. Example second. Kaisha o shokudo de hiruguan no tabemasu. I have lunch in the company cafeteria. Hiruguan wa kaisha no shokudo de tabemasu, making the object hiruguan into a topic. Grammar point 6th. Noun time made ni verb. This indicates a time by which an event will end or an action must be completed. Example: Kaigi wa 5時までに終わります. The meeting will end by 5. The particle made explained in lesson 4 indicates the end point of a continuing action. Be careful not to confuse it with made ni. Example: 5時まで働きます. I work until 5 o'clock.